Yes, that's a AIIMS Change.org impact. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan met the parents of Arian after we, along with Change.org, started a campaign to highlight his plight. The Health Minister has referred the case to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and a team there has examined Arian, and they will be sending a report to the Health Minister by Monday. The institute saying that they will also forward this report to the manufacturer of the drug. However, doctors say subsidizing the drug will depend on the centre or state government. Meanwhile, the hospital is ready to give symptomatic treatment for free. Arian is a young boy who is suffering from a rare genetic disorder called the Hunter syndrome. Arian requires a highly expensive drug for treatment, and his family has been appealing for the government to subsidize this. On the phone line, AIIMS Meenakshi Uprethi, who's been tracking this case very closely. Meenakshi, some development, of course, but give us a sense of what exactly are the options now that the government can exercise.
Well, yes, I know that there is some development in the case, but the battle is only half won for Arian's family. Arian's family is asking for a subsidy on the medicine. The Arian family had met Dr. Harshvardhan in the morning, who had referred their case to AIIMS, basically a team of expert doctors from genetics and pediatrics department. They have examined Arian, and they have formed a report. The report will be forwarded to Dr. Harshvardhan, the Union Health Minister, on Monday. Basically, the report, what it will contain is the type of, the nature of disease which Arian has, the cost of the treatment, and what type of medicines is required. But giving a subsidy or not, whether to Arian or to other children also, making a policy change or not, as far as subsidy on medicine is concerned, will finally be in the court of the state government or the centre government. But AIIMS, from their side, what they have promised is to give symptomatic treatment for free to this little boy. AIIMS also said that they will be forwarding this report to the manufacturer of the drug. Remember, the manufacturer also gives some sort of subsidy on humanitarian grounds. Basically, they pick at random a couple of parents, whose children are suffering from these diseases, and they give free treatment of this drug to some kids on humanitarian grounds. So whether finally, the government gives a subsidy or not, or the manufacturer actually gives them a subsidy, we just have to wait and watch.
All right. Thanks very much, Meenakshi Uprethi, for getting us that update. In fact, Meenakshi Uprethi also spoke to the Health Minister Harshvardhan earlier in the day, and this is what he had to say.
I have requested the Director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences to constitute a committee of experts, which should preferably have a physician and a pediatrician, and examine the child, diagnose him and plan his treatment, and guide the ministry about how we can help him if the treatment is not available in the routine hospitals in a routine manner.
Right. So the parents claim that this routine treatment is not possible. They claim that the medicines are very expensive, over 1.5 crores, and asking for a subsidy.
See, I have to go by, first I have to get the advice from the professionals, then only I can comment about it.
All right, so the ball at least in motion. We certainly hope of a positive outcome, and that's exactly what Arian's family is also hoping for. They seem to be satisfied for the moment after meeting the Health Minister. Listen in.
After months of campaigning, the family has finally been able to meet Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. I have the father of Arian with me. Sir, first question, you just met Mr. Harshvardhan. What has he assured you?
Yes, after a long time, we got the chance to meet Dr. Harshvardhan. He has asked us to meet directors of AIIMS to further diagnosis of the disease, and he wants to know from his people what is the actual disease, what is the actual treatment.
Satisfied तो है कि लेकिन उस तो बोला डॉक्टर ने जे एम्स में उस डॉक्टर को उसको रिपोर्ट दिखाइए, उसको रिपोर्ट होने के बाद तो वो तो ज़रूर करेगा, आशा करती हूँ.
When I started the campaign, but after 9 months, after lakhs of signature I got, and last 8-9 days, Change.org and AIIMS has now supported like anything. They are supporting Arian. They also want Arian should get the treatment, and after all, they have now taken this opportunity for me to meet Dr. Harshvardhan.